Hello, my name is Lucas Siska. I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot in hockey. This is my stick. This is the puck, a vulcanized piece of rubber. The object or goal of hockey is to get this puck into the net. The bounce backs are those things around the net are bounce backs. Basically, if I were to shoot this ball right here at the net, it bounces off exactly how I said. Now, this is synthetic ice. This is to prevent my stick right here from getting damaged. These are my gloves to help prevent me from getting cut, hit, or hit with a skate. Next thing, now you're ready for the steps. Step number 1: make sure you have the stick in this position. Slide your hands down until you're in the comfortable position. Then swing back. This is the incorrect form or way to take a snapshot. You want your stick to be leveled out like this. So then, this is the perfect way for a form too. Because then, when you hit it, you have all this forward momentum going into your shot, making it a lot faster. Now, a lot of people think that all you need to do is, you don't need to hit the ground, you just need to hit the puck. That's the incorrect way to take a snapshot. The correct way is to hit the synthetic ice and push the puck along into the net. Now, this is going to be your result.